Hi. Welcome to my channel. And new positive COVID-19 results reported. 10 more people in Cayman have tested positive for COVID-19, according to Chief Medical Officer Dr. John Lee. Those likely represent community-acquired cases and for whom isolation and contact tracing has already begun, according to a Government Information Services statement. Results for 383 tests were reported on Thursday, 373 of which were negative. That brings Cayman's total number of positive test results to 121. There are 65 active cases, while 55 people have fully recovered, and one person has died. None of the 10 positive cases reported Thursday appear to be linked with each other. On Tuesday, Her Majesty's Cayman Islands Prison Service reported 2 male inmates tested positive for COVID-19, saying both men were asymptomatic and have been isolated. Alric Lindsay explains the pension withdrawal application process. All of the additional 28 tests taken at HMP Northwood on Wednesday were negative, prison authorities said. The last COVID-19 case presenting for clinical management was the 27th of April. All positive cases reported since then have been discovered through a wider screening program, and these people have not come forward with any symptoms, just stated. The Health Services Authority's polymerase chain reaction laboratory is going through a scheduled maintenance day and so will only be reporting clinically urgent specimens, GIS said. Worldwide, the number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 topped the 5 million mark on Thursday. Another Foster's staff member tests positive. Foster's confirmed on Thursday that the HSA had informed the company that a staff member at its airport store had tested positive for COVID-19. Earlier this week, the supermarket company reported that 2 staffers at its Republic store in West Bay had also tested positive. All 3 staff members were tested during the ongoing essential worker screening process. On Thursday, Foster said in a statement, "On top of the already heightened sanitation process carried out at each of our locations, the store completed a risk assessment of the team members' work areas and will perform disinfection level cleaning once the store closes this evening at 7 p.m., in accordance with suggestions from the Cayman Islands government and published guidelines from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. In the US, the staff member, who is asymptomatic, is in isolation and contact tracing is being carried out. Any Foster's team members who worked closely with the COVID-19 positive staff or in the last 3 days have been guided according to contact tracing guidelines set forth by the Cayman Islands government," the company said. Foster said that, to date, more than 720 of its employees had been tested. "The health and well-being of our team and customers remain our top priority, which is why we take such stringent sanitation and safety measures," daily. Unfortunately, dealing with positive cases of COVID-19 is the new normal, globally. We've worked with the other supermarkets on island to align our protocols to ensure all are responding to positive cases quickly and effectively with safety as our top priority, said Julian Foster, Marketing Senior Manager, in the statement. He said the Office of the Chief Medical Officer had informed Foster's that customers at its airport location are considered to be at a very low risk of exposure and the products sold at the store also do not represent a risk to shoppers. In accordance with company policy, the affected employees will be taken care of during the quarantine period and upon their return to work, the company stated. Earlier on Thursday, restaurant and takeaway outlet Allah Kebab announced that one of its staff members tested positive for COVID-19. The testing resulted in a single positive result that is asymptomatic. As part of our response plan, that person has been quarantined as have any other team members that they were recently in close contact with, the statement said. Please save the trees and nature, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.